PPP update, PPP forgiveness. My name is Quentin Banks. If you're new to the channel, of course you guys gotta like and subscribe. I will be bringing this content each and every day, sometimes 2 or 3 times a day, because I know what it's like dealing with the government, you know, dealing with documents, dealing with these lenders. And sometimes it can be confusing whether what they send to you is correct or not, or what they actually want from you guys. You know, some lenders, they want document after document after document. Some want, you know, I mean, this document, that document. So I will try my best to actually give everybody the right information. As always, like I said, if you're new to the channel, of course, make sure you guys like and subscribe. And I'm doing a giveaway, right? So this giveaway is actually going to be for you to enter and for you to win. So when it comes down to the giveaway, it does it like I will be doing 3 winners, you know, for the giveaway. 3 winners for the giveaway. And that's just my appreciation to you guys, because you guys constantly watch my content. Now, we're going to get into this PPP forgiveness. We're also going to get into, is it forgiven, how to get it forgiven, because I know tons and tons of people who are actually waiting for this day, right? They got the PPP loan. Now they're like, we're just waiting for it to get forgiven. Is this the proper way to get it forgiven? So I got a few screenshots I'm gonna go into, because you guys always send me some good screenshots. You know, that's what I said. I really love when you guys send me screenshots, or you guys message me on Instagram. I really do try my best to reply back to everybody. I know it can be tough at times, but it is a case-by-case basis. So I really do try my best to talk to everybody on Instagram, at least through the DMs. That way I can get everybody, or at least point everybody in the right direction, whether it's getting them funded, whether it's finding them someone to fund them, or it could just be a simple, it's not, you know, I mean, a simple documentation question where I can answer some questions just based on what documents you may need. Now, I will bring this content, like I said, each and every day. And if you guys got questions at any time, feel free to drop your questions, comments, and concerns below. Like I said before, I try my best, guys. I really do try my best to respond back to everybody. And you know, I'm just here to help you guys. You know, at the end of the day, I'm just here to help you guys. When it comes to this PPP, when it comes to it actually being forgiven, I know tons and tons of people were going through the process of the forgiveness, and they were just trying to figure out what documents was needed. Some people actually seeing emails and whatnot based on other documentations that was needed. So we're going to get right into that as well. So yeah, let's go ahead and get some of this information going. I pulled the screenshot up, and like I said, if you're new to the channel, make sure you guys like and subscribe. That way you guys are in tune with the latest and the greatest information. All right, and this was a member of my channel, and they began to say, am I forgiven? Harvest/Womply, no documents required, and does like they received an email from the SBA PPP Direct Forgiveness Portal. It began to say, greetings from the SBA PPP Direct Forgiveness Portal. Your direct forgiveness request for SBA blank has been approved by your lender and submitted to SBA for further review. You will be contacted for further information if needed. No further action is required at this point. So guys, if you receive this email, let me know in the comment section. And this is basically stating, you know, this is not stating that you're forgiven. This is stating that the government and SBA, they received your request. So that doesn't mean, like I said, that doesn't mean they actually looked into it yet and got you funded. You know, they're just stating, okay, the documents that you sent in were verified, they look correct, and we're gonna go to the further step. You know, so a lot of people get that email and they think it's a, you know, they think it's all game, it's good, you know, and to be honest, that could be good and bad, but at the end of the day, it's good because it's good for the simple fact of they have your documents. There should be nothing else you have to do in regards of that, you know, whether you have to just wait it out now. But at the end of the day, it really does look like people are getting your loan forgiven. And this is one of the steps that you guys actually have to do. But that doesn't mean it is forgiven. You're just taking the right, you're going in the right direction, right? You're in the right direction. To be 100% honest, you're moving in the right direction. That does not mean everything is correct, but be on the lookout. If you have received that, just be on the lookout for an email. Be on the lookout for something that will keep you guys updated and prove the fact that there's more documentation that needs to be there. So let's get into some of these comments. Somebody said, not yet, it was just submitted. You'll receive something stating your lender has been funded and paid in full, and then you will be forgiven, which is correct. Somebody said, interesting. So the forgiveness application I mistakenly put in my PPP loan amount as payroll / will that be rejected? I messaged the SBA that it was a typo and meant to put 60%. Was it a typo? You're absolutely allowed to use 100% for payroll. What really, I thought it was only supposed to be 60% used for payroll. Anything over, you will be held responsible. Now, are you self-employed or considered an independent contractor? Yep. So prop, then yes, you absolutely can pay yourself 100%. As far as the 60-40 rule goes, that applies to corps. And that rule is minimum, meaning they have to use at least 60% on payroll costs, but there is nothing saying that that's the maximum. So guys, at the end of the day, this just really states that they receive your application, they receive your documents, but that doesn't mean it is 110% over. So keep that in mind when you're dealing with this stuff, guys. Keep that in mind. That doesn't mean it's over. That just means, hey, you receive your information, you receive your documentation, but it's still, it can still change at any time, but you're moving in the right direction. If you guys got questions when it comes to the portals, if you got questions coming to PPP forgiveness, stimulus checks, all that good stuff, feel free to comment below. As I said, a lot of people tend to message me on Instagram. That is another way how I communicate with you guys as well. DM on Instagram, and I will try my best to help you guys, as always. So if you're new to the channel, of course, make sure you guys like and subscribe. And don't forget to stay loyal, stay blessed, stay true, stay you. Big PPP news, PPP update 2021. My name is Quentin Banks. If you are new to the channel, of course, you guys got to like and subscribe. That way you guys are in tune with the latest and greatest information. As always, I will try to bring you guys this content each and every day. I know tons and tons of people have been questioning and asking about this PPP forgiveness, PPP update, what's going on. So